Welcome back to Decorio Studio, your ultimate destination for the latest home decor and interior design inspirations. Today we are diving deep into the lush canopy of the jungle with 16 stunning Amazon rainforest-inspired centerpiece ideas for a festive spring decor refresh. We will explore how to bring vibrant greens and exotic textures onto your tabletop to celebrate the new season. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on all our creative design journeys. This breathtaking arrangement mimics the layered density of the Amazonian treetops, using varying heights of broad Monstera leaves. Accents of deep moss and trailing ferns create a sense of movement across your dining surface. It serves as a striking focal point that breathes life into any minimalist spring setting. The natural emerald hues provide a cooling effect that is perfect for bright afternoon gatherings. Vibrant bromeliads take center stage in this design to provide a pop of fiery tropical color against a sea of green. These resilient plants are nestled in a bed of river stones and damp bark to ground the aesthetic. Their unique architectural shape adds a modern touch to the traditional spring floral arrangement. This centerpiece is a testament to the bold and resilient beauty found in the heart of the rainforest. Inspired by the brilliant plumage of rainforest birds, this concept incorporates faux macaw feathers tucked between delicate maidenhair ferns. The mix of soft textures and bold primary colors creates a festive and playful atmosphere for your guests. Using a long wooden trough helps to contain the wild elements while maintaining an organic feel. It is an artistic way to pay homage to the biodiversity of the Amazonian ecosystem. Delicate white orchids emerge from a dense base of dark foliage to simulate the ethereal beauty of a cloud forest. Small hidden water reservoirs or a light misting can enhance the realism and keep the petals looking fresh. This centerpiece works beautifully for evening dinners where candlelight can dance off the waxy leaves. It captures the serene and mysterious side of the rainforest with effortless elegance. A large, weathered piece of driftwood serves as the structural anchor for a variety of sprawling jungle succulents. Air plants and Spanish moss are draped over the wood to mimic the way flora clings to fallen giants on the forest floor. This low-profile design allows for easy conversation across the table, while providing immense visual detail. It offers a rustic yet sophisticated interpretation of the jungle's natural decay and rebirth. The iconic pineapple is reimagined as a regal center element surrounded by fan palm fronds and gold-painted nuts. This arrangement brings a touch of tropical luxury and festive cheer to your spring brunch table. The contrast between the prickly fruit texture and the smooth palm leaves adds a sensory depth to the room. It is a sunny and inviting display that radiates the warmth of a tropical paradise. Celebrate the bounty of the Amazon by using raw cacao pods and roasted coffee beans as a textured base for your greens. The deep browns and rich aromatic scents provide a multi-sensory experience for everyone at the table. Interspersing these with broad calathea leaves adds a necessary splash of patterned green. This concept is perfect for those who appreciate the earthy and organic origins of rainforest treasures. The striking claw-like shapes of Heliconia flowers create a dramatic vertical element that mimics the forest's upward reach. These bright orange and red blooms are paired with dark, glossy ginger leaves for a high-contrast look. The height of the arrangement adds a sense of grandeur and festivity to a large dining hall. It is a bold choice for anyone looking to make a powerful statement with their spring decor. Inspired by the iconic blue morpho butterfly, this centerpiece features pops of iridescent blue ribbons and silk butterflies hidden among dense greenery. The flash of blue against the deep forest greens mimics the sudden movement of wings through the trees. It creates a magical and whimsical environment that is sure to spark conversation. This design brings a sense of wonder and motion to your static tabletop display. Smooth river stones and vertical bamboo stalks create a calm, water-inspired centerpiece that reflects the Amazon's winding rivers. Small floating candles in glass bowls can be added to represent sunlight reflecting off the water's surface. This minimalist approach brings the tranquility of the jungle's waterways into your home. It provides a peaceful backdrop for a relaxing spring evening with friends and family. Intricate passion flower vines are trained over a small tabletop trellis to create a living sculpture of blooms. The complex geometry of the flowers serves as a natural work of art that requires little additional styling. As the vines trail down onto the tablecloth, they create a seamless connection between the centerpiece and the setting. This idea showcases the delicate and intricate details of rainforest flora up close. A collection of various dried seed pods and Amazonian nuts are arranged in a geometric mosaic pattern inside a shallow tray. This tactile centerpiece encourages guests to look closely at the diversity of the forest's reproductive life. Small sprigs of jasmine are tucked into the gaps to provide a light, sweet fragrance. It is a sustainable and long-lasting option for a festive spring refresh. Incorporate the spirit of the rainforest's apex predator by using subtle jaguar print ribbons to bind bundles of ferns and exotic leaves. The animal print adds a touch of jungle chic without overwhelming the natural beauty of the plants. This look is sophisticated yet wild, perfect for a high-energy festive gathering. It bridges the gap between high-fashion interior design and raw natural elements. Large, overlapping banana leaves act as a natural table runner, providing a vibrant green canvas for scattered hibiscus flowers. The bold pinks and yellows of the hibiscus stand out brilliantly against the wide, flat green leaves. This low-maintenance setup covers a large area and creates an instant tropical mood. It is the ultimate easy-to-assemble idea for a high-impact spring transformation. Three glass terrariums of varying sizes are filled with miniature ferns, mosses, and tiny tropical plants to create self-contained ecosystems. These microjungles allow your guests to peer into a tiny world of rainforest beauty. Placing them on a bed of dark soil or wood chips ties the trio together as a cohesive centerpiece. It is a fascinating and educational way to decorate your festive spring table. The final concept features climbing vines with bell-shaped flowers draped over a central wooden arch to create a canopy effect. The hanging blooms draw the eye upward and create a sense of intimacy for those seated beneath them. This centerpiece serves as a literal bridge of nature across your festive table setting. If you enjoyed these jungle inspirations, please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more decor ideas.